Pina Colada is a classic cocktail made with fresh pineapple, coconut milk, and rum. Another way we can enjoy these flavors is to make a hot Pina Colada vegan sundae with a brown sugar braised pineapple slice flambéed with rum to make a crowd-pleasing dessert. The pineapple is best served hot with the coconut butterscotch pan sauce and a scoop of fresh fruit sherbet to melt into the sauce. Start by lining up your ingredients for when they need to go into the pan. Then peel a fresh pineapple and cut off a few slices for pineapple rings. I like to use a round cutter to remove the core in the center, but a knife works too. Then heat up a small non-stick frying pan and add 15 grams demerara sugar, a little water, and a slice of fresh pineapple. Saute the pineapple for 2 or 3 minutes or until the pineapple is tender, and get a small torch ready to ignite 15 milliliters of rum shortly after it is added to the pan. When you see the flame, cover with a lid to distinguish the flame and add 15 grams organic coconut milk and simmer for about 30 seconds to thicken the sauce. When the coconut butterscotch pan sauce stops bubbling, pour the pineapple and sauce onto a small plate and top with a scoop of fresh pina colada sherbet.